This is the ship's galley, the ship's kitchen. Morning. Today's snacks.
Gardening here, the cold ladder, we prepare all the salad for the time in here. We cook all the food in here and we serve it on this side. It's a big area, same size as the restaurant. They can still cook. You can see they're cooking already some of the lobster so that they can season, put butter. Yeah, but we're talking about 1,000 foot lobster. Yeah.
Morning. Is this your pass? They call this the pass?
Yeah.
What do they call it?
It's the pass. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Morning. Where's the boss?
Executive chef. Hi.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning. Wow, it's gigantic. It goes on and on. Gives a whole new meaning to the term ship's galley. Okay, this is very warm here. This obviously all the warm stuff gets prepared here.
Your menu there on there.
Yeah. Hello, industrial size bully for soups. Morning. This is salads and cold stuff. More fridges. Ice cream. Frozen yogurt. Dishes. Plating. Beautiful plating. Morning. Dishwashing. Lots of hand washing station. Dishwashing. Morning. These are obviously also all waiting to be washed. Seriously, that dude's really keeping us all waiting. Just go past him.
And then maybe this is where we go out.
Oh, maybe it is. Good. Huge dishwashers. Industrial dishwashers.
Yeah.
High noise level used air tanks. Sorry, I didn't quite know how to stop it closing. It's very heavy. Emergency only, little galley kitchen, and back into the restaurant. Amazing.